Hi, today we're going to talk about expenses receipts PDF files, and we're going to understand how we can create the PDF files completely on automation. So as you can see, this is a simple expense receipt template which has been created in Google document, and corresponding to this I also have an expense receipt database which I have got over here. What we'll be doing today is we'll create a PDF file one by one for every row of this Notion database using the information from the database and this Google document template file that we have over here. So we'll be using this template file as a source of information. We'll be using this Notion database as a source of database, and we'll create three PDF records for this. So in order for this automation to work, we need to head over to PDFOutput.com. This is the website which will help you create the entire automation setup. Click on get started and simply continue with your existing Google account. So I'm going to choose one of my accounts over here. Click continue. Make sure you enable this checkbox while signing in. This is very much crucial to generate the PDF file. So this must be enabled. Click on continue once again. And once you sign in, you will land up inside this dashboard where you can add a Notion database to begin with. So click on add Notion database, click on connect to Notion, and simply copy the database title that you have over here on the Notion and paste it over here inside the search pages field. So click on select pages and enter the title inside the search box, and you will be able to see the database appearing here. Click on this to select it, and you can see the database title is already appearing over here, which is expense receipt database. Click on allow access, and now it will fetch the database for you, and it will be able to show the database inside this drop down. So you can see the expense receipt database is showing over here. Click on this to select it, and now click on next. We need to add the Google document, so click on add Google document, click on select Google document. Simply copy the document title from this title that we have over here. Go to the document drop section and paste the title inside this field. Search for it. So you can see the sample expense receipt template is showing. Click on this to select. So now both the database and the document has been added. It's time to start mapping the field one by one to generate the PDF file. So first is we need the date property to map over here. So what I'll do is I will search for date property over here, and I will click to copy this date property, and I will simply remove the part which is not needed, and I will use Ctrl V or Command V to paste it. After this we need a receipt number. So I'll copy the receipt number, remove the part which is not needed, and use Ctrl V or Command V to paste it. Next is we need a business name. Again we will click to copy this, and we will remove this part which is not needed and use Ctrl V or Command V to paste it. So make sure you map all the fields which is necessary by copying and pasting onto the document using Ctrl V or Command V from a keyboard. I'm going to stop here. I'm not going to map all the remaining fields. You can obviously follow the same process. I will click on download PDF, and here you option to select the different settings for the export range. I'm going to go with all the rows, and for naming the PDF file I'm going to use this receipt number column. So I will simply choose receipt number from this drop down. Then I click on start download. It will download for me all the PDF files one by one, reading the information from this database that we have over here. So let's wait as the three files are getting generated. So now all the three files have been created. Let's go to the download folder to check. So first is this file, expense 20250310. So you can see the four fields that we had mapped during the process have been correctly mapped, and the remaining fields are obviously blank. So this is precisely fetching the information from the database. Let's go to the second one. This is also correctly mapped. Let's go to the last one. This is also properly mapped. So we got three different files quickly created using the information from the Notion database, which was generated in one click. So we added the database, we added the document, we mapped the field by copying and pasting onto the document using Control V or Command V on the keyboard, and we downloaded PDF. If you have any questions for this, simply reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can assist you with any queries on this. Or if you want to directly use this chat window at the bottom, send me a message on this. I'll be happy to take up your issues. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.